This lecture covers the expression of conditional phrases and transitions in ASL. A conditional statement indicates someone's willingness to do something only if another condition is met. For example, I am willing to take you to school, but we have to leave early. Or, I am willing to lend you money, but I need a ride to the ATM. Or, I am willing to take care of your children, but I charge $12 an hour. Or, I am willing to lend you my car, but I need to fill the gas tank. In ASL, the conditional phrase is indicated by using the sign but, also meaning however, along with non-manual markers and/or emphatic gestures. Your eyebrows should rise up and your head come forward, as in the ASL question forms we've learned in the past. The reason for this is because the signer is implicitly asking if the condition is acceptable. The form this concept takes in ASL is yes, I can, blank, but first, blank, okay? Another way of saying this is, sure, I will blank, but you blank, okay? The concept of a conditional can be conveyed using signs or emphatic gestures, or a combination of both. Emphatic gestures are hand motions, postural shifts, and body language that indicate how a signer feels about something. Hearing people also use gesture in this way, but do so unconsciously. There is some overlap between gestural meaning in ASL and the gestures used by hearing people. I will demonstrate some of the common gestures understood by both deaf and hearing people. Hold on a moment. Don't do that. No, don't do that. Well, I don't know. No idea. Huh? After explaining the condition for your help, or what needs to happen first, then you can agree to the task or favor. This kind of statement requires another transition, the and then statement. And then can be signed literally first, second, or it can be achieved with a postural shift and non-manual markers. This is an example of the sentence structure help you, sure, but condition, first you blank, and then I'll help you. Here are some examples of and then statements. First, second, meaning and then. When you're finished, I will. Okay, when you're done, I will. You, okay, fine. I'll do the thing. Now, let's put it all together. First, affirm your willingness to help with a positive statement. I can, sure, help you I will. Second, sign the conditional. Third, after you explain the condition, use a transitional statement to indicate once again your willingness to help if the other person accepts your condition. I will sign a couple of example sentences for you. I can help you, but you call the boss and let them know, and then I'll help you. You can ride with me, but my car needs gas. If you take my car and fill the gas tank, when you're done, I'll drive. For Unit 8, it is important to practice using postural shift and gesture as well as sign to explain your conditions. Make sure your verbs are in agreement as you build these complex sentence types.